Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best safe face welding helmet is probably one of the most essential pieces of safety equipment a welder can own, offering unparalleled protection for your eyes and face against the intense arc flash, sparks, and debris generated during welding operations, ensuring your well-being while you focus on delivering high-quality welds. This helmet isn't just about safety, it's about comfort and performance, designed to reduce fatigue during long welding sessions and provide a clear, unobstructed view of your work, allowing for greater precision and efficiency in every project you undertake. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN HSH S800 Skeleton Night Welding Helmet. Experience incredibly quick transitions from light to dark in just 1/25,000th of a second. You can easily adjust the shade and sensitivity to perfectly match any welding task, whether it's TIG, MIG, or ARC. See your work with exceptional clarity thanks to the 1111 optical clarity lens and true color technology. This provides a more realistic and detailed view, boosting your efficiency and precision on the job. Enjoy longer working periods with power from both solar cells and replaceable batteries. It's built to last with high-quality, durable materials that resist shock, heat, and wear, meeting strict safety standards. Work for extended periods without discomfort. It's lightweight and features an adjustable headband with breathable padding for a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to focus on your work. Your eyes are fully protected with advanced UV-IR filtering technology. It effectively blocks harmful light, adapting to various environments and ensuring your vision remains safe at all times. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with true color technology and a large viewing area. Its ultra-fast 1/25,000th response time ensures your eyes are always protected. If you prioritize a clear, realistic view and rapid protection, this is the helmet for you. What people say. All the settings work great and you can adjust it perfectly, and also has an option for grinding so it won't dim on you, and you have a face shield and eye protection doing it. The auto darkening is instant and way faster than a lot of other helmets I have used in the past. I'm pleasantly surprised by the clarity of this helmet. I do TIG welding and my welds have got better with better clarity of the puddle. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Experience seamless welding with our advanced auto darkening filter. It features 4 premium arc sensors and adjustable shade settings for any environment, adapting instantly to your needs. Your safety is paramount. This helmet provides complete protection against intense glare, harmful UV-IR rays, and welding flashes, ensuring your eyes are always safe. See your work in perfect clarity. Our top-tier optical lens with true color technology offers a large viewing area, enhancing your precision and efficiency. Work longer without fatigue. Weighing significantly less than other models, it offers a comfortable, adjustable fit with breathable padding for reduced neck strain. Built to withstand tough conditions with durable, shock and flame-resistant material. It's powered by solar energy and a long-lasting battery, making it both reliable and eco-conscious. What we like. Enjoy a significantly larger viewing area for enhanced efficiency and precision. This helmet is designed to be 60% lighter than similar models, reducing neck strain during long jobs. If you're looking for maximum visibility and comfort for extended welding sessions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I cannot believe how clearly you can see what you're welding. The speed in which the darkening occurred was great, and was easy to dial in. The auto darkening filter with its 4 arc sensors offers excellent adaptability, making it easy to switch between ARC, MIG, and TIG welding. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Experience incredibly quick transitions from light to dark in just 1/25,000th of a second. You can easily adjust the brightness and sensitivity to suit any welding task, whether it's TIG, MIG, or ARC welding. See your work clearly with a super large viewing screen that offers top-tier optical clarity. Its advanced true color technology enhances your visual experience for efficient and accurate work. This helmet is built to last, featuring solar panels and lithium batteries for an extended working life. Enjoy enhanced durability for all your welding projects. Your eyes are fully protected with a smart filter offering automatic UV-IR protection. It effectively filters harmful light, adapting to various environments and keeping your vision safe. Easily make adjustments, even with gloves on, thanks to the newly upgraded knob. The interior is designed for a comfortable, secure fit, ensuring ease during long working sessions. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, this helmet is both flexible and durable. It's designed to withstand a wide range of operating temperatures, ensuring reliable performance. What we like. Work with confidence thanks to a super large viewing screen and top-tier optical clarity. Its enhanced durability and easy-to-use external adjustment knobs, even with gloves on, make it a practical choice. If you need a reliable helmet that's easy to operate in various conditions, consider this option. What people say. The view window is super open and very clear under an arc. The helmet head harness is very comfortable. Great comfortable helmet. I think it has been a great deal for the price. I just weld for the fun of it, so maybe not what a professional would be as happy with, but works better than expected for me. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN Auto Darkening Welding Helmet with Side View. Experience an expansive 180-degree view, offering a large auto-darkening screen and 2 side views. This enhanced visibility improves your accuracy and control during welding. With 4 advanced sensors, it instantly switches from light to dark in just 1/25,000 seconds. This provides crucial eye protection from harmful rays during any welding task. This welding mask is designed for longevity, featuring solar panels and lithium batteries. It offers a working time of several years, ensuring enhanced durability for your projects. Easily adjust settings with the upgraded knob, even while wearing gloves. The interior has been redesigned for a comfortable, secure fit, even during long work sessions. Benefit from a smart filter providing automatic UV/IR protection. It effectively filters harmful light, safeguarding your eyes in diverse welding environments. Constructed from green PP materials, it offers excellent flexibility and durability. It's built to withstand a wide range of operating and storage temperatures. What we like. Immerse yourself in a 180 degrees panoramic view, including integrated side views for unparalleled situational awareness. Its rapid 1/25,000s auto-darkening protects your eyes instantly. If you demand the widest possible field of vision and enhanced control over your welding area, this helmet is designed for you. What people say. The lens reacts instantaneously when you strike an arc and then is adjustable for how quickly it lightens. It has several adjustable settings. It's simple to see through the lightly tinted lens when not welding for an extra layer of safety. Huge viewing area and side windows, more natural color through front lens, adjustments everywhere, very comfortable, super responsive arc sensors. Came with extra batteries, extra outer inner plastic protective panels, nice storage bag. A good quality mask with a good display allowing brightness and color through the viewing window. A little heavy, but I like the space to wear glasses underneath. Appears to be durable, fairly comfortable with the right adjustment done to fit your head. Number 1. SONNLER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Discover a welding helmet with an incredibly large viewing area, offering true color and exceptional optical clarity. This expansive view helps you hone your welding skills with greater precision. Your eyes are shielded with advanced technology. Featuring 4 arc sensors, it instantly switches from light to dark, providing complete UV/IR protection and reducing the risk of damage from harmful light. Easily adapt to any welding situation with external knobs for sensitivity and delay. Adjust the shade from DIN 4 to DIN 13 to perfectly match your working environment. Work longer and more comfortably. The adjustable headgear and breathable, sweat-absorbent interior ensure a secure and pleasant fit, while its lightweight design minimizes fatigue. This comes with everything you need to get started and maintain your equipment. It includes replacement shields and batteries, extending the life of your new welding companion. Give the gift of safety and comfort. This auto-darkening welding helmet is an ideal present for any welder, ensuring they can work without the discomfort of sudden bright flashes. What we like. See your work in stunning HD clarity with an extra-large viewing screen. The conveniently placed external adjustment knobs for sensitivity and delay make customization effortless. If you appreciate a helmet that comes with a comprehensive set of accessories for extended use and easy operation, this is a great value. What people say. The lens is much clearer and more natural. This thing will improve your welding and mine. The clarity of this lens is as good as a $150 lid. Plus it comes with extra everything. Batteries, shields, even some white gloves. Great welding helmet, you get a nice big, clear, field of view, it darkens quickly, it never flashed me, and the head strap works pretty well and is comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.